Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Roblox Fluxus injection failed. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to remove antivirus software. So you might get the Fluxus injection failed error because you have installed additional antivirus software like Bitdefender, Spy Hunter, Norton, or DFS. So you can uninstall your antivirus from your device manually or use tools like an antivirus removal tool to do so. Then the next thing that you can do is to reinstall DLL. So if you have already uninstalled antivirus or removing them didn't work for you, reinstalling Delta's DLL or module might help rerun scripts. So if you still run into the Fluxus injection failed error, you need to reinstall DLL by following these steps right here. So first, just go into the Delta settings and head to the Delta fixes beside API and LANs. So just click on to reinstall DLL. So as you can see right here, just need to click on it and just wait for the DLL to download and try injecting scripts again. Then what you can do next is to use Fluster. So if neither installing antivirus or reinstalling Delta's DLL work for you, there's one last method to fix Fluxus not injecting user Fluster. So first, just go to the virus and threat protection on your Windows, and under its settings, just go to the manage settings. And after that, just turn off the real-time protection and just search for the use developer features in the window, and this time just turn on the developer mode. So after that, just download the Fluster exe file from the GitHub and run the Fluster exe file, and then just reopen Roblox and execute your favorite Roblox scripts using Fluxus. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.